Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays to you. Yes, do you see my shirt? This is one of my shirts that I have for work. I've had it for a while and I really like this shirt. And it says, "Is it Christmas break yet?" I like this shirt. I really do. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, let me get to, how's your family? How's everybody? I pray that everybody's doing great in the name of Jesus. I do, my family and I, we just thank God for each and every day and thank Him for keeping us in good health and watching over us. We are just so grateful. Yes, we are. And I want to say hello to all of my new subscribers. I haven't forgotten about anyone. Thank you so much for finding my page interesting enough for you to come over and become a friend. I am so happy to have each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Now let me get to my question. Okay. What is your favorite sound of the holiday season? What is your favorite sound of the holiday season? My favorite sound is Christmas music. I love all Christmas music. I really do. All of it can put you in a different mood. Like the chestnuts roasting on the open fire. When you hear that come on, it's that little sway sound, and then what is that? Let It Snow. Who's those boys? Well, anyway, that song got a sultry little beat to it, but the words is just now those words are kind of deep. That's Anyway, but I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas is a song that I like, or just the regular cute. Now, like for instance, when I'm at work and the kids are gone, I turn on my fireplace that's online, and you can hear the crackling and popping, and I'll play some nice Christmas jazz, and it is so pleasant. They go through all of the Christmas songs, and just in that soft, mellow jazz, it is relaxing. I can get papers graded. I can get a lot of I can get a lot of things done. So I really like that. I do. Come on in and tell me the sounds that you like. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video. And always remember, stay encouraged and blessed. Yes. And strive each and every day to stay free. Talk, release, and let go. Talk, release, and let go. And thank you all for joining me on Vlogmas day number 11. I almost forgot it, but I got it in there. I love you all. See you in my next video.